Hi, this is Fl from Any House Cleaning, and this is the house that last week we came to do an estimate. Carlos he already washed these two vents, and he's watching this vent and removing all the dirt. So this is a deep cleaning for a realtor. Right here in Davenport, Florida. I'm gonna put, when I upload this video, I'm gonna put the link below on the description of this house. In that video I show you with more detail the condition of the house. He removed the vents so we can clean it really good, and he removed all the dirty AC vents. He already put the cleaning oven product inside the oven. Somebody's calling me and I have to take care of this phone call. Let me pause. Oh, I cannot pause here. Any house cleaning, how can I help you? Hello? Hello? Oh, I lost the call. Hilda is cleaning the windows. Yep, really dirty.
Yes.
It was worth before she vacuumed. And so the first step is to vacuum the edges and the rail with this attachment. And then he used a degreaser and clean all the surface. I asked her to clean this room first, all the rooms that has carpet, because we have to steam the carpets too. So she's working room by room. We just started. And this is another vacuum also that we use. And I love this attachment. This is the Pro Blade attachment. And with this attachment we are gonna remove the dust that is on the ceiling. Everything that we could. If something we cannot remove, they are gonna paint it. Okay, and this is Fl from Any House Cleaning. I'm gonna start making some short videos and photos. I'm gonna edit this later. Thank you for watching. You can call us at 407-572-4118 for all your cleaning needs. We work with realtors and management company right here in Davenport and Champions Gate. Our telephone number 407-572-4118. We do heavy duty moving, move out, post remodeling, new construction, carpet, tile, and grout. Thank you. Bye. Cleaning the vents. Okay, remember that in the morning we were using an enzyme. Well, he put the rest of the enzyme in this spray bottle, and he's gonna put some enzyme on the floor and on the baseboards, because this room smelled really bad. Smells funny, smells dog, smells, I don't know what it smells. Okay, huele. A dog pee.
Ew, dog pee. Ew.
A dog pee.
Funny.
So He's putting some inside. I let it sit, and then he's gonna clean it, that area. But let it sit like for half an hour, I guess, 30 minutes. So far, so good. The stove. Cha-cha. She's an expert in the kitchen. She did so many kitchens already. Hubiese tenido un log y hubiese contado cuántas cocinas ha hecho.
Oh, wow, sí, desde que empecé.
Pero she's a master. She has a master degree in kitchen. And Carlos has a master degree in carpets. Okay, no lo limpies todavía. Hay que dejarlo media hora. Okay. Empiézate a limpiar los baseboards, puertas, tomacorrientes, esa ventana, los blinds. Abre la ventana. Okay.
El borde de la ventana, ¿sabes qué? Con el cepillito de dientes en seco para sacarla y después el vacuum.
Yo lo mandé a guardar el vacuum.